Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Argus camera. It's an Argus rangefinder. It comes with this case, this external casing, which I will set aside now. So this is the front, one side, the other side, the top, and the bottom, and this is the back. Okay, the focusing works fine. Okay, the blades work fine. We'll change the focus. You can see the blades, so the focusing works fine. And this is the glass. Trying to open the compartment. Okay, alright. So this is the inside look. Okay. The speeds. Interesting. Okay, so let's start with 3. Actually, I don't know how this works. You need to go like this direction. Okay. Okay, let's do 3 first. Yeah. Close already. Okay. So we're gonna cock the shutter. Okay. Okay. 3. Next is 7. Not sure what 7 means, but okay, it's 7. Cock the shutter. Okay. And then 9. Okay. 5. Okay. 4. Okay. This was 4. Okay. This is 3 again. Okay. 3 is the fastest, I think. Seems that way. Is 3 very fast? Let's compare to 4. Okay, alright. So the shutter all works. This is the viewfinder. Okay. Let me tune the. Okay. This is the focusing viewfinder. Sadly, the focusing viewfinder maybe need to do some tuning. I think need to clean a bit the glass here. Need to wipe it. I can send you the tutorial in the link in the price list. Then you can check it out, like how to clean it, like how to, you just need to swap it or something like that. I think I roughly glanced through the video, like it's just swapping and stuff. If the focus is off, then you can open here to do the focus tuning. But from what I see just now, when I look through it, the focusing seems to work fine. Just that I need to clean a bit the glass out. That's all. Like wipe it a bit to make it clean and clear lah. So yeah, there you go. This is the Argus camera, which this one. It comes with this casing. What's that? For pictures, can you see? Average subject in bright sunlight. Kodachrome. Interesting. Alright, yeah, there you go. This is the Argus camera that I'm selling. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And see you guys next time. Thanks for watching this. Bye. God bless.